Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Are you making the best use of the sidebar on your website? The sidebar is where many visitors look for newsletter sign-up information. So, having an OptinMonster sidebar campaign is one of the easiest ways to convert subscribers without interrupting the browsing experience, turning each page on your site into a lead generation opportunity. OptinMonster includes visually stunning, professionally designed templates that are proven to get excellent results. You can quickly customize any of these templates, or use the Canvas option to build your campaign from scratch. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder, it only takes a matter of minutes to build and customize elements such as images, text, countdown timers, buttons, and much more. Lead generation doesn't get much easier than this. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to boost email subscriber numbers and increase conversions with sidebar campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.